Truth is fundamentally the accurate reflection of reality. It signifies a correspondence between statements and actual facts. Key attributes of truth include objectivity, verifiability, and consistency. Truth is consistently challenged by misinformation, propaganda, and intentional distortion. These forces manipulate cognitive biases and emotional responses to spread false narratives. Unregulated misinformation erodes institutional trust and impairs informed decision-making processes. Truth possesses an inherent resilience, enabling it to persist despite challenges. History shows falsehoods may temporarily prevail, but reality ultimately emerges. Truth is fundamental for justice, accountability, and long-term societal stability.